Hi guys, it's me, Skylar Capri, and today I'm coming at you with another back to school video. If you're saying, Skylar, I just watched your planner video and you're wearing the exact same thing, that is because I want to get a whole bunch of videos filmed for you guys before I get too busy. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup bag essentials for back to school. I know a lot of people, whether they're taking gym or they have extracurricular activities that are outside, they're going to want to have a makeup bag to kind of refresh their makeup throughout the day. This is my kind of almost everyday makeup for morning practices and that kind of stuff. I do school cheer. If you would like any videos about that or being a varsity cheerleader or anything like that, leave a comment down below. I would definitely like to post videos on that. But yeah, so I haven't really said anything about that, but I do school cheer. So if you would like to see any videos, as I just said, leave a comment down below telling me so. But this is the kind of makeup bag that I pull from when we have early morning practice, just so I can get something on and then I'm good to go. And definitely, I do not think that you need to wear makeup to school if you're in middle school or high school or college even by any means. This is just what I use, and I think that this would be helpful. So we are all naturally beautiful. We do not need any makeup. It just kind of enhances what we have. So this bag is from Ipsy. I did cancel my Ipsy subscription, and I will be doing a video on that. I know some people might be like, why did you do that? Like, what happened? What's the tea? There's really no tea. I thought I'd just make a video about it. I mean, there is a little bit. But yeah, so you'll have to stay tuned if you want to see that video. Subscribe to my channel for that, because I think that'll be coming up in the next week. So stay tuned for that. But as I said, this is an Ipsy bag. It's really cute. It's just kind of this red peach watermelon. It's not peach. It's like a red watermelon color, and then it has hot pink and light pink, and it's really cute, and it's compact, fits in my book bag fine, fits in my cheer bag fine, and yeah, so let's dig on into this bag. So the first thing that I have in here is my Wet n Wild mascara. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in the shade C139, wait, it doesn't even have the shade name. This is the black one. This comes with 0.27 fluid ounces, and it's in a really compact purple tube. I will show you what the wand looks like. This is the first kind of lengthening mascara I've ever tried with a really kind of thin bristled wand, and I definitely would recommend this. I got this from CVS. I think it was about $3.29, so definitely not expensive at all. I know the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, a lot of people like that. I'm pretty sure that's $8 or $9, and this is not even $4. So I definitely think that this is great if you want a lengthening mascara, and I would definitely recommend because of how compact it is, and it does a great job. The next thing I have is a powder. This is the CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder. This is great for after sweating and PE or extracurriculars, as I said, just to kind of mattify your face. And this could be used in correspondence with oil blotting sheets so that you are completely matte again. This is in the shade 525 Buff Beige. This is what it looks like. It has a mirror on that side. I'm not going to blind you because of the light. It does come with a little powder puff, and then it has the actual powder itself, a mirror right here. So it's great for having that mirror in such a compact place. That way you can do your mascara or curl your lashes or touch up on lipstick or anything, and you don't have to carry a separate mirror. I believe that is around $7. I don't really know. I will leave the link to all of these products in the down bar, so check that out. The next thing I have is the Essence XXXL Shine Lip Gloss in the shade, oh wait, I forgot. I always forget that the shade names are on the lid for this. I always want to look on the bottom. This is in the shade number 8, Glamour to Go, and it is just kind of a pink champagne. I'll do a quick swatchy swatch for you. It does have a doe foot applicator. It's more of a flat doe foot, but this is just really nice for adding a little bit of shine, and it looks like that. So again, super neutral. It's pretty much the color of my lips, but it's just something to throw on, say if you have a picture or you just want to look good. I don't know. It smells really good, and I definitely think that this is a great option of lip gloss from the drugstore. I know a lot of them are the stereotypical super sticky. You feel like you have gum all over your lips because of how stinking sticky it is, but I promise you these are not like that, and I think that these are around $3 or $4, so definitely a bargain for a good gloss. My sister's playing the piano downstairs, so if you can hear that in the background, I'm sorry. I will try to talk louder. I don't want you to think I'm screaming at you, but yeah, sorry about that. The next thing I have is this Cleansing Pampering Pair kind of a face wipe. So this is from the brand True Girl. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you haven't heard of them, but I did get them in a past subscription box called I Be Beautiful. And yeah, so basically what this is, it's not a makeup wipe or anything, it's just a quick cleanse when you're not able to wash your face. I can't stand that feeling of when you are super sweaty and you really can't wash your face. It's not like you can just run to the nearest sink and pull out your favorite face wash, your exfoliator, your toner, your serum, all that good stuff. You can't do that. So just having this or a makeup wipe, I definitely recommend, so that you can get all of the germs and the nasty sweat off your face, and it's not just sinking into your sinking into your skin and causing blemishes. The next thing I have in here is a clear brow gel. You guys, I picked up another NYX Control Freak. I'm pretty sure this is my third or fourth tube. If you watched any of my most recent tutorials, I had been using the Essence Clear Lash and Brow Gel. That one is around $2.99. This is $6.99, so definitely more expensive. But this comes with so much more, and I think that the spoolie on this, or the wand on this, is really great for really brushing your brushing your brows out and getting them where you want. This stays on all day, and I would definitely recommend as a clear brow gel from the drugstore. I love this. If you put even a little bit of brow pencil or brow pomade in, this definitely does a great job of locking it down, and it's not going to smear. So definitely would pick this up if you were in the market for a good brow gel. The next thing I have in here is the Glossier Balm.com. This is a universal skin salve in the shade Rose. So it looks like that. It's a little sample size. I did get it in Ipsy, and it's more of a really sheer rose color. If you were to put it on your cheeks or whatever as a blush, it's not going to give you any color. I do know that they have a cherry one that has a bit more of a tint, but I really like this as a lip balm. I know it's in a tube like this, and some people might squirt it out on their fingers. I just kind of squirt out enough of it so that the top of the cap is rubbing on my lips, but the actual product is. And I think that this is really great for deep hydrating your lips. I know mine gets super cracked and dry, especially in the wintertime, and this is just great for that. Another thing I have in here is a eyelash curler. This is just to give your lashes an extra curl before a picture, or say you have first block gym. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of a dual chrome, like every single color you can think of. So it can either be blue, green, or really purpley, orange, yellow. I picked this up at Target. I believe it was around $7 or $8, and it does a great job. And the last thing is a concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair, which is number 15. I do not know how wide the shade range is. I believe it may be 6 or 7, so not exactly the best shade range. I know a lot of people have been gaga over the Makeup Revolution, I don't even know the name of it. The small Makeup Revolution that everyone compares to Tarte Shape Tape, but this just works for me. It works as a concealer, eyeshadow primer, anything like that, but this is just great to have in your bag for extra touch-ups. If you're wondering what that is, actually, I was washing my face and my nails were long and I kind of scratched myself, so that's what that is. But so this is just great for touching up, or say you have first block gym and you need to conceal your eyes because you were up till 2 a.m. studying for a history test only to find out it's canceled the next day. So this is great, does an awesome job, and I believe it is around $7 or $8, so not too terrible in terms of concealer, and I would definitely recommend. So that's all that was in my go-to makeup bag. I think that these items are not exactly essential. I mean, they are for me, but having that extra blush or bronzer, if that's something essential for you, definitely add that in. It's not essential for me because I don't wear foundation. I don't wear any like cream contour or anything like that fancy. I just kind of do the bare minimum when it's 6 a.m. in the morning and I'm like, I don't want to go to school. So this is kind of the bare essentials bag. That might be the title of this video. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any back to school videos or recommendations for makeup products I need to try out and you want to see a video on, leave a comment down below. I do try to read and respond as quickly as possible. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So that's watch on my hand to let me know that you like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle, swim, and beauty content. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.